Hello and welcome to this video on how to open a Shopify store step by step. In this video, we will be walking you through the entire process of setting up a Shopify store from start to finish. Whether you're a first-time entrepreneur or an experienced business owner, this video is designed to provide you with all the information you need to get started on your e-commerce journey. So, let's get started. Step 1. Understanding Shopify and its features. Before we dive into the setup process, let's take a moment to understand what Shopify is and what it has to offer. Shopify is a cloud-based e-commerce platform that allows you to create and manage an online store. With Shopify, you can easily sell products online, manage your inventory, and process payments. Some of the key features of Shopify include user-friendly interface. Shopify has a clean and intuitive interface that makes it easy for you to manage your store. Customizable themes. Shopify has a wide range of customizable themes that you can use to give your store a unique look and feel. Integrations and add-ons. Shopify integrates with a wide range of third-party applications and add-ons that can help you run your store more efficiently. Secure hosting. Shopify provides secure hosting for your store so you don't have to worry about the technical aspects of running an e-commerce store. Customer support. Shopify provides excellent customer support to help you with any issues you may encounter while setting up or running your store. Step 2. Setting up your Shopify account. Now that you understand what Shopify has to offer, let's move on to setting up your Shopify account. Here are the steps you need to follow. Go to shopify.com and click on the Start Free Trial button. Enter your email address and create a password. Provide your basic business information, such as the name of your store and your contact information. Choose your preferred pricing plan. Enter your payment information and click on the Start Free Trial button. Congratulations, you now have a Shopify account and are ready to start building your store. Step 3. Choosing a theme for your Shopify store. The next step in setting up your Shopify store is to choose a theme for your store. A theme is essentially the design template for your store, and it determines the look and feel of your website. Here are the steps you need to follow. Log into your Shopify account. Go to the Themes section of your Shopify dashboard. Browse through the available themes and select one that you like. Click on the Customize button to start customizing your theme. Use the theme editor to make any necessary changes to your theme. Preview your changes and save them once you're satisfied with your store's appearance. Step 4. Adding products to your Shopify store. 10 minutes now that your store's appearance is set, it's time to add some products. Here are the steps you need to follow. Go to the Products section of your Shopify dashboard. Click on the Add Product button. Enter the product details, such as the product title, description, and price. Add product images to help showcase your products. Choose the product type, such as physical or digital. Select the product's variant options, such as size or color. Add any additional product information, such as shipping information or product tags. Click on the Save button to add the product to your store. Repeat this process for each product you want to add to your store. Don't forget to include high-quality images and detailed product descriptions to help your customers make informed buying decisions. Step 5. Setting up payment and shipping options. Next, it's time to set up your payment and shipping options. This will allow customers to purchase products from your store and have them shipped to them. Here are the steps you need to follow. Go to the Settings section of your Shopify dashboard. Click on the Payments tab. Choose your preferred payment gateway, such as PayPal or Stripe. Follow the prompts to set up your payment gateway. Go to the Shipping tab. Set up your shipping options, such as shipping rates and shipping zones. Click on the Save button to save your shipping options. By setting up your payment and shipping options, you're ready to start selling products from your store. Step 6. Marketing and promoting your Shopify store. Finally, it's time to start marketing and promoting your Shopify store. Here are some tips to help you get started. Use social media. Share your store and products on social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram. Offer promotions and discounts. Offer promotions and discounts to incentivize customers to make purchases from your store. Invest in paid advertising. Consider investing in paid advertising options, such as Google AdWords or Facebook ads, to reach a wider audience. Leverage email marketing. Use email marketing to keep customers informed about new products, promotions, and updates from your store. By following these steps and utilizing the tips and tricks shared in this video, you'll be on your way to building a successful e-commerce business.